Hello, good evening. This is Brecht from Xscript Games, and today I'm gonna talk about what I did today. Uh, Basically, setting up my laptop, setting up my Wacom tablet, trying my first tutorial for my Wacom tablet, and a bit of networking that I've been doing. So let's get into it. This morning I started or continued with my networking Project Zombies, and I had some error in it, which was about basically I wanted to delete something in a projectile list, and I got error that the key, because it was a dictionary, and I get an error that the key wasn't present in the dictionary, so it couldn't delete it, because probably it's been deleted before or something like this. So I delved deeper into this problem and I found the root of the problem. It was actually because in a network game, not everything was properly synchronized. So I had a destroy on one client, which could fire when something was hit. It could trigger a destroy, but if this triggering of this destroy, this takes some time to happen on all the clients, and if on one client something gets destroyed in the meantime, then he's gonna do another message sending to all the other clients that we should destroy this, but the projectile is already being destroyed, so we can't destroy it again. And this was an issue with improper synchronization, because we should actually ping to the master client to see what the right values are, whether this particular item has been deleted already or not. Only the master client knows that, so we need to check with the master client. But because otherwise you can only trust one client, and that's going to be the master client. Otherwise it's going to be random or some assigned other client, but usually it's a master client. And there can only be one, because otherwise everything else is synced and takes time to sync. So who are you going to trust? There's only one to trust, and that's the master client. So yeah, that was the problem. And I also set up my laptop a bit today, but mainly for my Wacom tablet and my PC. Tried it out, and well, it's kind of hard to get used to, but I'm not used to painting in general, so I guess, I don't know. I'm not a big artist personally, but I do want to learn the basics, and I'm gonna rely a little bit on DIA for this, to teach me the basics of art, so I can make my own game, and then spend like a little bit of time by myself as well. But I want to keep this as a side thing, like really side, like maybe 20% is going to be art for me, and then 80% is going to be programming, gameplay, design, stuff like that. So yeah, what I found in my experience with the Wacom tablet, it's hard to get used to. It's hard to draw straight lines, but it's much better than a mouse, or at least a little bit better. But yeah, I followed some tutorial, but the guy did it much better than me. But I think that's kind of normal. That's what it was meant to be. But yeah, it's hard for me to get used to, because I'm not doing it a lot. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to create a good picture, what the techniques are, and the mindset I need to have. I have no idea. And I need to learn this as well, and I need to get over the mindset that I don't need art, because I do need art. Otherwise, otherwise I will never understand the complete process, and also otherwise how will I sell games by myself? It's not going to be possible. I'm not going to sell games with programmer art. Like that's like setting myself up for failure. Like it's possible, but the chances are very lower, so don't do it. Yeah, but anyway, this was my rant for today, I guess. I need to make the switch a lot, but yeah. But anyway, this is Xscript Games logging out. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to get notified if I release a new video. It would really help me out a lot. And thank you for watching. Have a good night.